are studying the second chapter, Numbers and Sequences. Today's topic is Arithmetic Progression. Let's look at the definition. Let A and D be real numbers. Then the numbers of the form A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D, comma A plus 4D, dot is said to form an arithmetic progression denoted by AP. The number A is called the first term. D is called the common difference. So here you can see that arithmetic progression is a sequence. So here are the terms of the sequence. Okay, first term is A. The second term we are adding D to it. Okay, the third term we are adding D again to the second term. So you get A plus 2D. Again we are adding D here, you get A plus 3D. So here you can see D is the common difference between the terms. So A is the first term, D is the common difference. If there are finite terms, that is if the arithmetic progression stops here, that means there are only 5 terms. This is called a finite arithmetic progression. But in this case we have put dot, so it is infinite arithmetic progression. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by Tn. The formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, where A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. Okay. So here, supposing it's a finite arithmetic progression, there will be a last term, is it not? Because it is finite. Let it be L. So here in place of Tn, you should write L. L is equal to A plus n minus 1D, which implies that this n is equal to last term minus the first term divided by common difference plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, now let us go to the exercise. Exercise 2.5. Check whether the following sequences are in AP. Okay, so this is the sequence. This is the first term, second term, third term. Let us see if it is an AP. So let us look at the common difference. Common difference is the second term minus the first term. Third term minus the second term. That is called the common difference. So second term minus the first term. T2 minus T1. Let's do A minus 5 minus A minus 3. Open the bracket, simplify, you get minus 2. Now let us do T3 minus T2. Be careful, T2. Do not subtract T1. It should be always the next lower term. Okay, T3 minus T2. So T3 minus T2, A minus 7 minus A minus 5. Simplify, you get minus 2. So common difference is same, it's equal. Therefore, it is an AP. Check whether the following, okay, the next sum. So here are the terms. Let us do T2 minus T1, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Simplify, you get minus 1 upon 6, minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Simplify, you get minus 1 upon 12. So here you can see they both are not equal. Therefore, it is not an AP. In this sum, let's do T2 minus T1, 13 minus 9 is 4, 17 minus 13 is 4, 21 minus 17 is 4, 25 minus 21 is 4. So you can see common difference is equal. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Fourth sum, 0 minus of minus 1 upon 3 is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 minus 0 is 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 is 1 upon 3. All are equal. Therefore, it is AP. In this sum, minus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus of minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1. That is, if you open the bracket, it will become plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is minus 2. Here it is 2. It is not equal. Therefore, it is not an AP. Question 2. First term and the common difference D are given below. Find the corresponding AP. Very simple. They have given us A and they have given us D. A is 5, D is 6. So the general formula you know, this is for AP. So let's write down first 5A, comma 5 plus D. 6. 5 plus 6, comma, 5 plus 2 times d. That is 2 into 6. That is 5 plus 3 into 6, dot, dot, dot. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 2 into 6, that is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. This is 23. And dot, dot is the AP. Second sum, A is equal to 7, D is equal to minus 5. Write down the general formula. Now substitute A as 7 and D as minus 5. Here put minus 5. So 7 plus minus 5 is 2. 7 plus 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Similarly, you can do this. You will get minus 8. That is the AP. Third sum, A is equal to 3 upon 4, D is equal to 1 upon 2. So here, write down the general formula. Substitute A, 3 upon 4. The next term will be A plus D. 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. You will get 5 upon 4. 3 upon 4 plus 2 into 1 upon 2. You will get 7 upon 4. 3 upon 4 plus 3 into 1 upon 2. 9 upon 4. Dot, dot is the AP. Question 3. Find the first term and the common difference of the AP whose nth terms are given below. So here is the nth term, Tn is equal to minus 3 plus 2n. So the first term means n is equal to 1. Substitute here, you will get minus 1. That is the first term. We call it A, minus 1. Common difference, let us first find out T2. So put n is equal to 2. You can simplify, you get 1. T2 minus T1 is the common difference D. So 1 minus of minus 1. That is, if you open the bracket, it will become 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So D is 2 and A is minus 1. Second sum, Tn is equal to 4 minus 7n. So T1 is the first term. So put n is equal to 1, you get 3, minus 3. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So A is equal to minus 3. Now let us find out D. For that, find out T2. N is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2 here and you will get 4 minus 14, that is minus 10. So here T2 minus T1, minus 10 minus of minus 3. This will become plus 3. So minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. D is equal to minus 7. Question 4. Find the 19th term of the AP, minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, dot, dot. So first let us find, we know the first term A, that is minus 11. Let us find the common difference, D. So T2 minus T1, minus 15, minus of minus 11. So here this is minus 15 plus 11, that is minus 4. T3 minus T2, minus 19, minus of minus 15. So open the bracket, this becomes plus 15. Minus 19 plus 15 is minus 4. So here A is minus 11, D is minus 4. Now Tn is A plus n minus 1 D. So let's write down, this is A is minus 11 here. Okay, and now we want T19. That is the 19th term we want. So let's put T19. And here A is minus 11. N put the 19. So 19 minus 1 is 18. Then D is minus 4. So you simplify this. You will get minus 83. Question 5. Which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1, dot, dot is minus 54? So let's see what is given. A is 16. D, the common difference will be 11 minus 16, that is minus 5, and they have given the nth term as minus 54. Minus 54 is the nth term. We do not know which term it is. That is what they are asking, which term. Let us find the value of n. So here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Nth term is minus 54, write it. A is 16. N we do not know, leave it as it is, minus 5. Now open this bracket, minus 5 into n will be minus 5n. Minus 5 into plus minus 1 is plus 5. Now you can simplify this easily. You will get n is equal to 15. So the 15th term of the AP is minus 54. Question 6. Find the middle terms of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27 dot dot 183. So here in the sum they have given us the last term 183. Okay. They are asking us to find the middle term. For that, first let us find out what term is this last term. Okay. For that, let us write down. First term is 9. Last term is 183. D, the difference is 15 minus 9, 6. So we are going to use this formula. N is equal to last term minus the first term divided by D plus 1. 183 minus 9, the first term, divide by 6, that is D. First do this and then you should add 1. So first simplify this. You will get 29. Then you should add. Be careful. What is within the bracket you should do first. Then you should add 1. So you get 30. So 183 is the 30th term. Okay. Now they are asking the middle terms. So 30th term. So that means 30 divided by 2. 15th term or the 16th term. Any term is applicable since it's an even number. So 15th term, if you want, you can use the same formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. N is 15. So put 15 here. N minus 1 will be 15 minus 1, 14 into 6. Simplify, you get 93. Or if you want to take the 16th term as the middle term, you can again put in the same formula and simplify. Question 7. If 9 times 9th term is equal to 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24th term is 0. Okay. So here let's write down the general formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now what is 9th term? Put n is equal to 9. So you get n minus 9 minus 1, that is 8. So a plus 8d. What is 15th term? See here, we need 15th term also. 15th term is a plus 14d. Here if you put 15, 15 minus 1, 14d. Okay, 24th term also we will find out. So T24 is equal to a plus 23d. Okay, now what condition they have given? 9 times the 9th term. What is 9 times the 9th term? 9 into Tn. T9 in this case. So we found out T9 as a plus 8d. So 9 times the 9th term is equal to 15 times. See here it is written 15 times 15th term. So 15 into 15th term is a plus 14d. So here it is. We have written it down. 9 times the 9th term is equal to 15 times the 15th term. Open the bracket. Simplify. Bring it all on the left hand side. You will get like this. 6a plus 138d is equal to 0. 6 common. Take it out. 6 into a plus 23d is equal to 0. Now what is a plus 23d? It is 24th term. So 6 into 24th term is equal to 0. So that is what they are asking. Show that 6 times 24th term is 0. 6 into T24 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Here we come to the end of the first 7 sums of this exercise 2.5. The remaining sums I have done on the next video. Please go through that also.